Latvia, where great science grows in a small country. Our researchers are making discoveries that matter globally, from biomedicine and biotechnology, where Latvian teams develop new vaccines and pioneering bacteriophage therapies, to biomaterials and photonics, where we create next-generation implants, 3D printed tissues, and world-record data transmission technologies. We lead in sustainable innovation, from green road materials and aquaculture technologies to advanced energy solutions. Latvian scientists also explore space, from astronomy to satellite data and new technologies that connect us with the universe. And in quantum science, Latvian researchers contribute around 10% of the world's discoveries, shaping the future of secure communications and ultra-fast computing. But science in Latvia is also about people. Our social and humanities researchers build open digital archives, create citizen science platforms that connect communities with research, and safeguard the song and dance celebration tradition recognized by UNESCO. Almost 49% of scientists in Latvia are women, making it one of Europe's leaders in gender balance in research. From heritage to high-tech, our curiosity drives progress. Research Latvia. Science creates, surprises, and drives forward.